Welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's hot. It's Clay City, Kentucky Dragway today. And we got some pretty cool stuff for you. Looking up here in the lanes, we got some, I believe that's 520 index cars. That's No Time 275. And then obviously, the main attraction of the video, right there, the Unbridled Spirit Jet Engine Dragster. So, having fun today, that's for sure. I don't know if you'd classify this as a gun racing tour video, but we'll see how long it is. Take a step back so I don't get killed with this exhaust fumes. Good burnout. I'm not really in a good position for this when it first started, but it's okay. I just made a run. I came up here by myself today. So Ken Chapman, he's helping me run my car. Might have a few videos of it, maybe, hopefully. We'll see. Spin the tires. I've seen this car on no prep videos before here. That looked like a good run. That was a wheelie. Next up, It's the drag and drive. Lord, that guy's all over the track. This coming week is the drag and drive event right here at Kentucky Dragway. I'll have videos up of that this week. And he's fun too. Kenny's been trying to get this bike. Kenny's been trying to get this bike back together for a long time, so see what happens.
Yeah, boy.
811.
Good for y'all, man. Yeah, bro.
Getting ready.
It's the jet car. That's right, the jet car is out.
Not making a full pull here. Just practicing, getting it ready for tonight. Oh yeah, if you want to see more of that jet dragster, stay tuned to the video. He plans on making 2 more passes. That's Aaron Siffel, driver of the Unbridled Spirit jet car. Here's a fast car. at a 447. Run number 2 coming from the jet car. This is going to be a full pull. Get ready.
We got the unbridled spirit coming on the track.
Alright, big dog. See what you can do. Definitely not what he wanted there. He said that one of the gates wasn't opening up all the way, and it wasn't getting all the air it needed, is what Tony said. So it was dying, and he kept trying to bring it back up, and then it would die again. So they're gonna see if they can fix that and take care of it. Stay tuned, because he's still got one more run left, and hopefully they'll get the fix taken care of. Stay tuned. Final pass of the jet car. Well, I know the video wasn't perfect by any means. I didn't get everything I wanted to video. I kind of lost track because I was scrambling to take care of my stuff. I actually ended up winning. I got the trophy. It's pretty cool. But Jet Car wasn't what they wanted it to do. He still put on a good fire show for the audience that came. And that's really what it's all about. But Aaron obviously wanted to go fast. But they'll get that lined out. I think they found out what's wrong with it, and they'll be able to fix it. So hopefully they can get that working soon. Still, like I said, still put on a good show for the audience that was there. The door cars, I videoed everything that was there at least once. It was hard for me to get up there and get a lot of videos because I was there by myself for the first part of the day, and Ken was helping me, and I was holding everyone up for everything. So I wanted to worry about my own racing, and it ended up working. So I think next week we're going to be in London for the Pro Mod race. I'm pretty sure. We're just going to see what happens for the rest of the year. I know we still plan on going to the U.S. Nationals. Hopefully we'll hit oh man, I'm tired. Hit a couple different races. Couple more good races for the YouTube channel before Indy. But I know Rob went to a dirt track in Indiana, so he probably got some footage of that. And I'm going to see if I can edit that together and put something up for the YouTube channel. But thanks to everyone that helped me this weekend. And thank you all for watching the video. Leave a like on it if you liked it. And subscribe to the channel because it really helps. I'm almost to 1,000. So see what happens from here. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.